Hello and welcome. It's Frank Calabro Jr. This is going to be our step 1 video in our AI funnel system. What we're going to cover in step 1 here is signing up for the 7-day free trial. We're going to go over the go all in strategy. We're going to talk about the compensation plan. We're going to show you how you get paid, and we're going to share some proof, progress, and results. Now, we all get started the exact same way, and the first thing that we have got to do is start our 7-day free trial. Now, once you do that, what's going to happen is you're going to get access to this AI funnel system. This is 100% done for you. This is going to save you hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars because this instantaneous home business that you can start right now is already built. We just got to plug into this thing. Now, this platform right here, this AI funnel is built on top of Power Lead System, okay? This is included in your 7-day free trial. For those out there that wish to build landing pages and sales pages and email marketing campaigns, well, that's going to be an option for you because it is included with your 7-day free trial. What is also included is some training, and this training is absolutely incredible. It is going to help you make money even faster. Yes. Now let's talk about the first commission plan, the first compensation plan, the first way that we make money. It's called gold, okay? So what we do is we start our 7-day free trial, and that turns on the money machine. People go through our AI funnel, they sign up for gold, you get paid $20 per month residual commission plus a 50% match bonus. And I want to stress, this does not sound like a lot of money, but this can be a massive amount of money, okay? And I'm living proof of that, and I'm not the only one. Another awesome thing is the AI funnel system enrolls people for you. And once you get 3 people, guess what? Your system's free. Yeah, absolutely free. How awesome is that? Okay, let's talk about the money. Okay, let me show you how we make money, okay? So this first person up there above that green arrow, okay, everything below there, that yellow smiley face, that's you because you're collecting money. You ain't doing nothing. The only thing you're doing is collecting money. So that first lady up there, we're going to call her Jill. So Jill sets up her AI funnel. She got leads and prospects going through her funnel, and people begin to sign up for gold, okay? Jill begins to generate some income, okay? Let's just say she generates $440 for the month, okay? Now, it can be for the week, but we're just going to say it's for the month. Now, you get a 50% match bonus for doing absolutely nothing. Yeah, so that's $220 in your pocket plus a $20 bill. Add up the numbers. There you go. So this next gentleman, John, he goes to your AI funnel. He signs up for gold. He sets up his AI funnel, and he starts to generate some revenue, okay? In this example, it's over $2,000 for the month. You get a 50% match bonus plus a $20 bill. I think you see where we're going with this, okay? This next lady comes in, Cindy. She sets up her AI funnel. She starts generating some really nice residual income for herself, but also you're going to get a nice 50% match plus a $20 bill. That's pretty awesome right there. This next gentleman, Patrick, he sets up his funnel. He starts generating some income. You get a 50% match for doing nothing. Yeah, plus a $20 bill. There you go. We're just going to let this thing play out. You can see what's going on here. And you can see in this example, this illustration, we only got 9 people going across. It could be 90 people going across. Each one of these people up here, the way I look at this is a brand new business. It's a brand new franchise. You're opening up another revenue stream. It is limitless what you can make just from this one component of the compensation plan alone. In this example, in this illustration, it's only an example. We made $6,140 in a month in residual income. This could be done in a week. Pretty awesome right there. Pretty exciting. Here's some examples of some weekly paychecks that I personally have generated. This has been going on for over 10 years. Yeah, this thing is a money-making machine. And this was done before the AI funnel. AI funnel is 100x more powerful than anything I've ever done before. All right, so we all get started the same exact way. We sign up for the 7-day free trial. That opens up the first revenue stream. Now, we want to make life-changing money. We all want to make life-changing money. The second thing we want to do is we want to go all in, because by going all in, we can make $1,500 commissions, okay? Now, I'll tell you something right now. That's life-changing money for most people. You make an extra $1,500 a week, or you do that twice in a week, or 3 times, or 4 times, or 5 times in a week, or more. That's life-changing money right there for most people. There's no doubt about that whatsoever. By going all in, you'll get 4 extra products that unlock 4 more revenue streams. Plus, you can now earn $1,500 commissions from your AI funnel, okay? By doing so, you're going to save up to $700 while expanding your income opportunities with this package deal. Each time your AI funnel sells an all-in package, you earn $1,500. How exciting is that? It gets even better. Your all-in package includes 3 months of gold, and you already know, once we get 3 golds, your system's free. Yeah, your AI funnel system's free, okay? 3 months of LGA is included. So basically, you got no debt service expense for the first 3 months. So we're setting you up for success. We're setting you up to win. If you're not sure, if you're all in qualified, you log into your back office. On the left-hand side of the screen is the menu bar. Click on that, and the website will tell you so. If you're brand new, first time you log in, you just signed up for gold, you got your 7-day free trial, you got to click on PLS All In, click here, click on that gigantic button. You cannot miss it, and activate all the revenue streams right now, immediately. Yeah, we want to make all the money. We don't want to make some of the money, okay? And once we do that, we just activated the full potential of your AI funnel, okay? Once again, each time an all-in package sells, you earn a $1,500 bill. Incredible. Okay, now 11 days after you generate commissions, when you log into your back office, you're going to see your commissions populate. It's going to be right there in front of you every time you log in. Yeah, and what you can do is pay yourself anytime that you want. Yeah, I said that correctly. You can pay yourself anytime that you want. You can pay yourself every day if you want, whatever you want to do, okay? Now, here's how you pay yourself. Number one, you can load up your prepaid Visa card, okay? You can put some of the money on there. You can put all the money on there. It's totally up to you. The second way, send the funds straight to your bank account. It's going to take 1 to 3 business days. Yeah. So if you want to go grocery shopping, for example, you can take $1,000 and throw it on the card. You can go grocery shopping right now because the funds hit almost instantaneously. Yeah. And you can take the rest and send it to your bank account or do whatever you want to do. But the bottom line is you pay yourself whenever you want. That's the way it works. Pretty awesome right there. Yeah. I want to thank my sponsor, the number 2 producer on the all-time leaderboard, for talking me into doing this, because I was skeptical. Yeah, I didn't want to do this. I didn't want to sign up for this opportunity. I thought it was a bad idea. I thought it was a terrible idea. In fact, I told a couple of people I'm not doing it. And then my multi-millionaire mentor called me on the telephone, and I'm standing in this kitchen in the slums, and I hated being poor, and I hated where I lived, and there was nothing I could do about it because I was broke. Yeah, I couldn't do nothing, guys, about my situation because I was too poor to do anything about my situation. So after a lot of resistance, I caved in and told my mentor, okay, I'm going to sign up. I'm going to do this thing. I don't really understand it, but I'm going to do it your way because my way is not working. It's not working at all. Here's what happened. Here's my starting point. This was pitiful, guys. I needed to make double that just to break even in life. Kept on running out of money, sold all my material possessions, didn't have a vehicle. The house was empty. I had a bed, a desk, kitchen table, and a 5-year-old laptop computer. Were the only material possessions I had to my name when I started. Yeah, I listened to my mentor and did it his way, and presto, it worked. Imagine that. Yeah. Look at the second year. Incredible, huh? Transformation. By year 8, it was game over. I was done. I was retired by year 8. Incredible. Yeah, I went from living in the slums to living in custom-built solar-powered homes. I presently live in a brand new house that's 1 year old. Yeah, I went from not being able to feed myself to having money in the checkbook. I don't have to worry about anything now. I don't care about the price of groceries, the price of fuel, the price of anything. My living expenses are covered. Not to mention, now I got the keys to several cryptocurrency wallets, guys. Pretty incredible because I listened to my mentor and did it his way. I thought it was a bad idea. He thought it was a good idea. It's a good thing I listened and did it his way. I'd still be struggling right now. 3 years ago, I retired myself forever. Yeah, I found my paradise and I moved there. Now listen, paradise means different things to different people. Some people want to live on a beach. Some people want to live in the mountains. Some people want to live in some exotic location. Well, I can live anywhere in the world that I want. But I found my place. I found my home base. This is where I call home in South Carolina. I absolutely love it here, guys. And this is my paradise on earth. Yeah, I also bought myself a brand new Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 as a retirement gift to myself. Pretty awesome, huh? From a guy that had no vehicles. And then a year later, I bought the Scat Pack Challenger Last Call Edition. Absolutely amazing, guys. Yeah, all because I listened to my mentor and did it his way. Well, guess what? Now it's your turn to win. Yeah, it's your turn to win. How about signing up for that 7-day free trial? The button's right below this video. Let's get this thing done right now. Okay? All you got to do is create your account, fill this out. It's self-explanatory. Click the continue button. Okay? Pick a username, check the box, click continue. Very important. Very important. No VPNs. Don't even try and sign up with a VPN. It's not going to work. Also, country. We're in over 180 countries. This is a worldwide opportunity. So chances are very good that you can do this from just about anywhere in the world. Okay? But click on that drop-down menu for country. Select your country. Fill out the information. Click continue. Okay? Once again, self-explanatory. Fill out your card information. Watch the instructions closely and do exactly what it says on the screen. Terms and conditions. Take care of all this stuff and click start your free trial. Okay? Now, if for some reason your credit card, debit card fails, it keeps failing, contact your bank. Yeah, just contact your bank, figure out what you're doing wrong. Maybe you made a mistake or something, but figure it out and fix it, okay? We're talking like 0.1/10 of 1% are going to have a problem here, okay? For everybody else, make sure you print this page out, record this information, bookmark your login information, your username, your password's going to be computer generated. Yeah, you can change it later, do whatever you want to do, okay? In addition to this, make sure you go to your email and find this email. Look in your inbox, look in your promotion box, look around for this email. If you can't find it for some reason, look in your spam folder in case for some reason it lands in there. And if it did land in there, make sure you whitelist this email address, okay? This is your login credentials, once again, emailed to you. All right, now the first time that you log into your account, you just signed up for your 7-day free trial, you're going to go ahead and agree to the spam policy and click the button, okay? All right, we just logged into our back office for the first time. What we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do, PLS all in, click here. You're going to click on that. You're going to check the boxes. Yeah, you're going to buy the package deal and save yourself up to $700 so that you're all in qualified, so that your AI funnel can start generating some insane money for you, okay? Going all in activates all of the products, everything up here on this screen, okay? Now, once you get a chance, pick one of these modules and start going through this training. Yeah, just do one thing at a time. Don't overwhelm yourself, okay? This is going to help you make money faster. Yeah, for real, okay? Plus, you're not qualified to earn those $1,500 bills. That's awesome. Okay, Frankie, what do I do if I can't afford to go all in? Well, guess what? If you can't afford to go all in, you need to go all in. You're in a bad place financially if that is the case, okay? Now listen, I did what I had to do to take care of my family, take care of my church, take care of my family, yeah, to take care of myself, okay? I sold everything I owned to keep my business going. I sold my vehicle, I sold my furniture, I was eating only 2 meals a day, top ramen noodles, yeah, I did what I had to do, okay? So you do what you got to do to take care of you and your family, and I'm going to do what I got to do to take care of me and my family. That's what I did, okay? All right, so at the very minimum, if you're starving to death broke, okay, here's what you got to do. Here's what I'm going to recommend you do. At the very minimum, if for some crazy reason you can't come up with a solution on why you can't go all in, you don't got a credit card, you don't have like furniture you can sell, you don't have an extra vehicle that you don't need you can sell, you ain't got a bunch of garbage in your house that you don't need that you can sell, you just can't figure out how to come up with a solution to go all in, you want to come back here and buy free ad secrets in Home Business Pro. Here's the reason why you want to do this. Number one, free ad secrets. Because you don't have money, that's going to help you get money that you don't have. Yeah, it's going to show you how to get traffic through your AI funnel for free. Okay? Very important. Second, Home Business Pro. Go in there and start studying that course because that's going to help you convert that traffic into dollars that you desperately need. And then you take those dollars and you go all in and you buy the rest of the products. Now, this is going to be more expensive, up to $700 more expensive. But if this is the way that you have to do it, then this is the way you do it. Okay? I had to buy all the products individually. We didn't have a package deal, and I survived, guys. I made over $1 million off this thing. Yeah. All right. Now, once these products sell individually, because you're all in qualified, you make $100 bills off this one, free ad secrets. We make $90 residuals over here off LGA. We make $400 commissions off Home Business Pro. That's pretty awesome right there. That's good money right there. And then we make $1,000 commissions off individual product sales from Master Traffic Institute. Pretty awesome right there. But going all in now, as we know, we save $700 and we can earn those $1,500 commissions. That's the way to do this thing. Yeah, we want the big money right there. Okay, let's recap real quick how we make money with the AI funnel. Number one, gold sales. Those are those $20 residuals to 50% match bonuses. We make those $1,500 bills from all-in packages. Individual product sales, $100 bills, $90 bills, residuals, $400 bills, and $1,000 bills. Multiple revenue streams built into this thing. This is awesome. This is incredible. Here's some of the early results I've been having myself. Yeah, just getting started in this thing. I expect this thing to make $5,000, $10,000 a week. No problem whatsoever. All right, I want to say congrats to everyone that took action and got started. You have taken a giant first step in getting started. So what we're going to do next is we're going to get your very own AI funnel system set up right now. You want to click the button below to set up your AI system. I'm going to walk you through the simple process. It's copy and paste. You're not going to have a problem whatsoever, even if you're brand new. You've never done this. No worries at all. I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, this concludes the step one video. I'll see you in the next step. Frank Calabro Jr. signing off. Thank you.